parenting plan, you and the other party know your needs. You know the needs of the child. Hello everyone, for today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on the topic of the details, the bread and butter that go into establishing a parenting plan and why they're so important. Number one, the beauty of a parenting plan is that this is an agreement that you and the other party are entering into. It's an agreement that you all have gone through the details and worked out amongst each other. The difference with a parenting plan from a court order is that you put the ball in the court's court to decide the details. They decide what holidays, what birthdays, what drop off, what pick up, and it's all determined by what evidence you give them to decide those issues. Whereas in a parenting plan, you and the other party know your needs. You know the needs of the child. So you can specify what holidays. So if you're unconventional, let's say, you don't celebrate traditional holidays. You celebrate holidays that are maybe like those that are celebrated in a different country, that are not on the U.S. calendar, and you want those incorporated into your agreement. That's fine. You can do that with a parenting plan. Whereas with a court order, you might have to testify and establish that the child has a history of celebrating those and a few other things. But I think that that's another caveat of a parenting plan and why you want so many details. Another thing to think about is what's important to you when it comes to holidays. Some people tell me that they want to have the odd birthday so that they can have a quinceañera, or they can have the even birthday so that eventually when the child is 16, they can have a sweet 16, etc. So think about those type of longevity details, even if the child is very young, because a parenting plan should survive the life of the child. It shouldn't be something you have to come back to and amend every year or every few years. It should be something that you thought out well, and that's why you need the assistance of counsel. I just wanted to give you guys that tidbit. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com.